is about to get crazy today. So the weather is supposed to be horrible. We have a chance of snow in the morning, which never happens in Texas. And like I said in my last video, I have a speaking event tomorrow. My dog is just staring at me through the window. My best friend is coming over with her daughter. Her daughter's a month older than Landry. So they're gonna have a little play date before it gets really bad. And yeah, I'm gonna fill you all in on the craziness that happened last night in a second, but I'm gonna hurry and get some stuff done before they get over here. So see you later. Update on what happened last night. So last night we were about to go to bed. We were in bed and we had turned on How I Met Your Mother because that's our like binge watching show lately. And my child just got an entire box of toys out of just threw it. And so I hear Landry crying. She does that every once in a while, where she just kind of like, I guess she has a bad dream or something, and she wakes up, she cries for like a hot second, and then she just goes back to sleep. It's kind of like she cries in her sleep almost. Well, last night she did not. So, after trying to wait her out for a few minutes just to see if she would go back to sleep, Brad went and got her and brought her to our room. I nursed her and she did not want to go to sleep. So at first she was kind of groggy, like still half asleep. Maybe she was scared because she had a nightmare or something, I don't know. But then like a switch turned and she went psycho. Like she was so hyped. And so we turned on Elmo because maybe like watching a couple of shows would like get her to wind down. No. Oh my gosh. Yeah, she was up for like an hour and a half. And this was already like at midnight, so yay. So eventually I just got up, took her to her room, nursed her again, kind of like bedtime all over again, and then laid her down. She was not happy about that. But eventually we got her to sleep, and yeah, so that was that. But after I got her to sleep, I went back to my room, and all of a sudden, like right here on my throat, I don't know if it was a muscle cramp or what, but it was so painful and it just like tightened up. And I don't know if you've ever experienced anything like that, but whenever your throat tightens up, you can't breathe or swallow or do anything. So I was panicking, which made it even harder to breathe. And it was scary. I can still, like, you know when you get a Charlie horse in your calf and you can feel it the next day even though it's not there? That's how this is. I can literally just feel it, and it's like anxiety driven, where it's like, how many times can I say like that? But it's giving me anxiety because now I'm trying not to say like, it's giving me anxiety because I can feel it and I'm so scared that it's gonna come back. So that was our crazy experience last night. So like I said, the weather's supposed to get wild. It's kind of like eerie outside, where it's just the calm before the storm. There's a tornado warning, watch, whatever the one is where it's not actually there. There's a risk of flash floods. I don't know if you can hear me. Chance for hail. So it's crazy. But anyways, we'll survive. So our friends just left, and this is the disaster that the girls made. Which obviously, if the girls are happy, then I'm happy. Hi. So we woke up from our nap, and now I'm just trying to decide what to make somebody for lunch. It's still just like eerily calm outside. Like the wind's blowing, but like it's not raining that hard. Like it's not thundering or lightning or anything. So I'm just scared that it's gonna be really bad because it's so like chill currently. But yeah. Hey. 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 Are you comfy cozy?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm jealous. You look so nice and cozy. Anyone like my pizza socks? If you're like a toddler mom and you're looking for a good snack, Landry loves these. They're organic. They have pretty basic ingredients. I mean, I know what everything is for the most part. They still have sugar, but I mean, it's something that she'll eat, and basically everything has sugar nowadays. So if it's at least a little bit healthier of a snack, then I'm happy about it. So yeah, they're really good. I like them too. Did you shove too much in your mouth?
Ah.
Yeah, you did. Say ah. Ah. Why is your nose running? No, we don't need that until you swallow what's in your mouth. Cue temper tantrum in 3, 2, 1. Oh, she did good. I'm surprised. Can you chew, please? Chew? You look tired.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love. Crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do. There's no mountain I won't climb, be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
If you don't know, I make cookies for fun, and I sell little sets sometimes. And that being said, because I sell sets, I like to get like good quality specialty cookie cutters rather than just like buying some from Walmart or whatever. And I think I went a little bit overboard for Valentine's Day. This is a like set of 5 that you sell as a set. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts, not including the set one. I have 2 words, 1 plaque, 1 little love you a latte mug, and yeah, I have too many. So we're under a tornado watch.
Yeah, no, all of North Texas is under a tornado watch. Shoot, your parents are under a tornado watch.
My parents live like 2 hours away from us, if you're wondering.
We just need that storm to calm down right there. If that storm doesn't calm down, then it could get crazy here in an hour and a half.
Our kid is currently still up because we don't want to put her to bed and then have to like take shelter basically. But
Look at that thing bow out. Ooh boy. That thing bowing.
pretty sure that we're gonna die. So
We're fine. I'm not calling dying yet. Do I have a zit on my nose?
Griffin,
It's red.
but if this is the last you see
Hey.
from us, then
Hey,
You know.
will you quit stepping on Griffin? He doesn't
you
like
see this video,
No, he
then
doesn't want
obviously
that.
we survived. But
That's true. Unless you edit it before and go ahead and post it.
no.
Our final goodbye.
Our final goodbye. Anyways, I get really anxious about severe weather. That can be the comment of the day. What natural disaster like scares you the most? Whether it's like a flood, tornado, hurricane, earthquake, fire, like what scares you the most?
It's gonna depend on where people live.
Yeah, that's true. Here in Texas, I feel like the biggest problem we have is tornadoes, sometimes flooding, but I'm really anxious right now, and I'm just trying to smile through the pain, and yeah. So, Brad's just up here being a dad, watching the weather.
I like this stuff. I like watching it. I used to get so scared as a kid. I like watching it now. Also, there's going to be a tornado because my dad is not in town. That's when there's tornadoes is when my dad is out of town. So,
Yeah, it's like a superstitious thing in the family where if Brad's dad is out of town, because he travels for work a lot, then there's always a tornado.
whenever he's out of town and there's severe weather.
Yeah. But then if there's severe weather and he's in town, then it never happens. So, part of me just wants to go ahead and put Later to bed, but then after last night's shenanigans with sleep, I really don't want to have to get her up again. Also, looking at the screen, and it has the counties that are affected by the tornado warning, and then the people affected. There's almost 1 million people affected by this one tornado warning, and that's mind-blowing to me that we live in a metroplex that has that many people.
It's only that one little part.
Yeah, that's only half of the metroplex too. So I want to know, do you live in a small town? We're just throwing in all the questions. Do you live in a small town, or do you live in like a big metroplex like we do?
On the bright side, at least, even get down. Even if power goes out, we can still watch this on our phones.
Priorities. I guess I should probably plug my phone in actually. So we survived.
Shalom.
Currently editing this vlog right now, so I wanted to close it out. There was a tornado. Brad said there wasn't. Brad says there was rotation, which in my book is a tornado.
But it's not a confirmed tornado.
I think that like low clouds are tornadoes. So I mean, yeah. But we survived. It's still raining, and yeah, there was some pretty loud Thunder boogers, as Brad calls them. So, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe and answer the questions of the day down in the comments below. And we will see you tomorrow in our next daily video. Peace out, Girl Scout.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and almost still could fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow.